Hello everyone, welcome back to Coding Theory Guru. In today's video, we will discuss a very important concept in software engineering, SDLC, or the software development life cycle. Okay, definition of SDLC: SDLC, software development life cycle, is a systematic process used to design, develop, test, and maintain high quality software. It defines steps, phases to ensure software is delivered on time, within budget, and meets user requirements. See, so what exactly is SDLC? It is a step-by-step process used to design, develop, test, and maintain high-quality software. Okay. The main goal of SDLC is to make sure the software is delivered on time, within budget, and meets user requirements. Now let's quickly go through its main phases one by one. First is requirement analysis. Gather and understand what the client or user needs. Identify functional and non-functional requirements. Outputs: software requirement specification, SRS. See, requirement analysis. In this step, we collect and analyze what the client actually needs. Okay, the output is a software requirement specification, also called SRS. Second is system design. Convert requirements into system architecture and design. Includes database design, UI design, and overall system structure. Output: design document. See, here we create the blueprint of the system, including database design, UI design, and system architecture. Okay. Then implementation, coding. Actual development of the software by programmers. Code is written according to design documents. Output: source code, working models. Okay. Third is implementation or coding. This is where developers write the actual code based on the design documents. Okay. Then testing, verify that the software works correctly and meets requirements. Includes unit testing, integration testing, system testing, and user acceptance testing. Output: tested software. The software is tested to find and fix errors, making sure it works as expected. Then deployment, release software to the end users, can be phase, beta release, or full deployment. Output: live software. See, the tested software is delivered to the end users, either in phases or in full release. Okay. Then maintenance, fix bugs, improve performance, and update features after deployment. Ensure software remains reliable and useful over a time. Output: updated and maintain software. See, after deployment, the software needs regular updates, bug fixes, and improvements to keep it reliable. And that's the SDLC process, a structured approach that ensures high quality and efficient software development. Key point: SDLC ensures that software is developed in a structured way with minimal risk, reduced cost, and better quality. Okay, thanks for watching.